Take another look at that teacher. She better looking than I am today. You wishing she was going to show you about that crypto. But, just the mojo. He's going to show you about that crypto. Ta-da! Peace. What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Founder of the MOJ. Just chilling on like a villain. Dude, I just raged on this trade just now on GameStop. Wow. GameStop was just crazy. Let me show you what GameStop just did. Look what it just did in the last 5 minutes. Just went from 190 right through 190. Look at the biggest bar on the chart. Where is it going through? 200. Look at the Mojo room where I printed this baby. Oh, I got it right there on the screen, but I look. GME for the Heinz, 200, 199 by 99.66. Look at that. Fired up there. Made 7,391. I did right there. Check out that main screen. Nailed it. $199.65. It went to 205. Got 17 shares left just to show you the print. Oh, yeah, and look, I got a new banner like Ross does. Investing is inherently risky. See? Look at that. Amazing, right? You're going to lose all your money. Yeah. Took me 30 years of doing that to figure it out. You want to save 30 years and a lot of time? Come on by the Mojo room. Got some free passes below. I'll show you how to buy some crypto. Got a crypto channel right here. Let me show you what went on the other day right here. So first trade, write it down. I tell you buy entry 36,277. Right? Entry fill in like a villain. It says it right there in the Mojo room. Then I tell you on the first green bar, add like a wild man. You know what that means? That means freaking start banging it, baby. Right? Now add up. Look, it's starting to firm up right there on that green bottom bar, right? So we're going to add 36,545. Nailed it. 36,926 headed through Heinz. 37 right there. Boom. 37.1 with the green machine bar like a champion of awesomeness. And then we did that 1,000-point trade in 5 minutes. Look at that, 37.3 from 36.3. And then look, like a gift, came all the way down again to 36,280. So again, what a gift. 36,277. Write it down. We're in for another one. There it goes. 36.5, 36.7, 36.7, 1, 36.75. A 1,000 pointer from 36.3 to 37.3. Look at that, huh? Big run, big run, big run. Nice and smiley. Did it again right there. Went to 36. Now it's at 38. Picked Ethereum and EOS at 4 and 2,000. EOS $5.36. Ethereum 2,600. Made a dollar on EOS and a huge move on the Ethereum. All in the Mojo Crypto channel. So let me show you how you buy. You go into Coinbase, right? I got a link below in my description. Right? There's no Zoom right now, guys. No Zoom right now because I'm doing my Mojo show. So come watch on the Mojo show. That would be cool. Bitcoin 37.9 moving into 38. Ethereum 25 hundo. Cardano 155. We sorted by price. Let's go Anchor number 1. Down here, it's 11 cents. Anchor. ANKR. See what else. Bitcoin 38. Cardano 156. Cartesi 69. CeeLo ain't doing nothing. It's up 23%. CeeLo's like gold. It's like a safe haven. People come out of Bitcoin and go into this like digital gold. CeeLo. Right here is the core utility reserve and governance asset for the CeeLo platform. Global payment infrastructure for your mobile phone. Thousands of organizations and individuals are developing and growing and governing CeeLo, an open source platform that enables anyone to build borderless applications. Most people, you don't know what open source means. Open source means usually like, you know, at Microsoft, and they come out with a new program and you're like, wow, I'm going to download that program. And, you know, it was built by Microsoft behind their closed doors. Closed source. Open source platform is open. You want to come in and develop, be a developer for the platform. All the codes right out there and open. Enables anyone to build borderless applications. I didn't even read the rest of it, and it said what I was just talking about. MOJO! I could have wrote the end of their thing. I nabulated on their open source. I didn't even read the rest of it. Start building a mobile app. Dude, I made a coin. Yesterday. It's called Mint Me. I just started. I didn't have a lot of time to check it out, but my Mint Me right here, my MOJO Day Trading coin. My own token. I created it yesterday. My own token to promote the MOJO cause. Little MOJO mint tokens. I got the whole thing set up as far as what they're going to be worth, and dude, the whole 9 yards. I give away some MOJO tokens. MOJO Day Trading. Mintme.com is the site, and you create a token for your idea or earn on a trading and supporting other tokens. So I have an idea. I registered my token right there. Anyone can mint or create a token that represents themselves or a project they've created for their fan base and supporters to support them. It helps content creators realize their maximum potential through a new and innovative way of crowdfunding. It's also a social platform where traders can interact with token creators and other traders. Tokens are created or minted on top of our custom decentralized blockchain called MintMe Coin. When you create a coin or a token, you become the owner of that financial future. Yes! Create a token and create a coin for your project, yourself, or just trade other people's coins. And I'm a content creator right there, and I'm creating a token. The MOJO token. Right there, baby. MOJO, get the MOJO token. Right here, let me log in, see what it looks like. Oh, I got the verification, dude. Everything is like verified, email verification. Dude, everything's verified. You go open at Coinbase, you're going to go open somewhere else. I would say, oh, I just got an email. 175534. Right there. So there's my tokens. I got Mint Me right there, my token. I have my own token. Where's my token? I think maybe I didn't save it, but I got to create it too. I thought I did. The MOJO coin. MOJO. MOJO token. Now I got to create the token. So I'll create my own token, dudes, and I'll be like be giving a giveaway of the MOJO token. It's got value, dude. Big time. You can use those tokens to get courses, chat room subscriptions, golf tee times, you name it, dude. You want me to make a restaurant reservation for you? Done. Send me some MOJO tokens. They're worth something, dude. Everything's got value. My friend wants them. I'll sell them to him. He wants a MOJO token. Done. So that's what CeeLo does as a mobile infrastructure for your mobile, dude. Thousands of organizations are building on the open source platform. Maybe I should build on CeeLo. It's a mobile DeFi. Hyper efficient, light client, full node incentive, allowing scalability to 6 billion smartphones, dude. That's where that's where I want to be. I want to be on 6 billion smartphones, dude, with my dApp kit, make it a mobile dApp kit. A dApp is a decentralized application. You know, unlike your phone, you go into the app store and you're playing that poker game on Zynga. That's a centralized application. It's owned by Zynga. A decentralized app is not owned by anyone but the community and the blockchain. It did. The more you contribute to it, the stronger it is. That's the way it should be. Not the bigger you get in it, the more you can manipulate it. That's the way it is now. Damn, the dApp kit's a lightweight function of the decentralized app to work with CeeLo wallet to sign transactions and access the user's accounts. Allows for a better experience. They got the Baklava testnet. Look at these names you've never heard of. They don't mean nothing to you. Baklava testnet, dude, you know what that is? Layman's terms. That's I-95 exit. That's on the Jersey Turnpike. That's exit 42. See this one, the Aljoris testnet. That's 53. That's all that. Different roads, different avenues along the main network of New Jersey Turnpike. That's what it is. To better understand. The main net, the Alpha Joris, the baklava. Baklava, dude, is not a food. It's not that food. It's a node operator testnet. If you're interested in operating one or more nodes that make up CeeLo's infrastructure, start with baklava. Nice, tasty. It's a little coffee with the baklava. Baklava's validators and full nodes are operated by the community. Do you know what a node is? A node is this. Let me show you. See, no one knows what it is. I'm explaining everything in layman's terms, just like I do in my course. Let me show you. Here's what a node is. Let me go into my pictures. Best thing to show is with a picture, right? That's the best way to show. Where's the bit? Here it is. Okay. Now, see that picture? You see that all the time, don't you? Like, wow, that's the blockchain. It's like spread around the world. That's nice. It's a cool looking image. But what does it mean? What are these circles? The circle in the middle is the master node. He's controlling him, hooked into that master node, who's controlling him. Each circle is a main, that's you. So right here, see this little tiny dot? That's my computer. See that little dot? That's your computer. See the big dot? That's the node. We're under him. And he's under the master node. See? Here's the master node in the middle of the spider's web. You see him right here. These are the master nodes. And you see how they're spidering out to that node, that node, that node. They're nodes. They're big computers. The bigger your computer is, the bigger your node is. Telling you, so cool. Here's another big node, another one. And all these little dots are me and you and the individual littler miners that are supporting the network. And you can see in here, right, you can see all these tiny little dots. Those are like, that's me. This is like a big mining farm. That's a big mining farm. Those are bigger. The big ones are the bigly. That's like, Genesis Mining and stuff has that one, and they own this side of the world. It's amazing, isn't it? And that's what a master node is. And a node are just these little computers that are just all over the place, anonymous. There's no saying that's Michael down here, Pro Trader Mike, that ain't me. You know what I'm saying? So if you do Bitcoin, it takes 60 confirmations to send Bitcoin from one person to the other. So if you're going to send it, 60 little individual little computers have to, on the network for Bitcoin, have to confirm it before it's transferred. ADA, Cardano, 30. USDT, 10. Each coin has its own set number of confirmations that need to be validated on the blockchain before it's able to be transferred from point A to point B. And in between that little digital invisible air are the miners that are all validating the transaction. And if one miner tries to be sneaky, he gets rejected. And it just continues until Bitcoin gets 60 confirmations. And it takes a little while. That's why Bitcoin, you can't go into the store and buy with Bitcoin, because it's going to take 30 minutes for the guy to have it in his wallet from your wallet. And by that time, Bitcoin could fluctuate too much. So he's not going to take that, because you don't set a price at the register. Okay, I'm going to do this transaction when Bitcoin's at 36,720. Dude, by the time the thing goes through, he's either up on your Bitcoin or down on your Bitcoin. No one's going to run a business like that. You're going to buy a house with it. They're going to set a price at that price. It's going to be digitally done on Ethereum or Bitcoin converted, and that's how it's going to run, dude. Bitcoin ain't nothing but a digital gold. It's a currency. It has no real purpose other than it was the first real coin to be, adopted and taken tenfold, 20-fold, and 30-fold. There's a lot of other better functionality coins that actually do something. Bitcoin, you can only mine with one kind of mining rig. The other coins you can mine with many other different kinds. So once you start learning the industry and how it works, it's very, very nice. So that's Celo, dude. Celo's hosted nodes, running a full node. So if you want to run a full node, let's say I want to run a full node and you have to own a lot of that Celo. Let's see how much you got to own. How to get a full node running on the Alpha Joris network. How much computer power do you need? Full node incentives have not been enabled yet because of the mechanism for negotiating a gateway fee is still under development. Setting up your directory, setting up your account and getting your address and your wallet set up, starting the node right here. These are the command lines you need to set up in your computer. But it still doesn't say how much you need. Getting account and funds, hosted nodes, prerequisites. Getting started with a Docker. You have a complete container solution no matter who you are and where you are on the containerization journey. Let's go on a containerization journey. The Docker desktop productivity tool enables the Kubernetes environment. You ever heard of that word before? Kubernetes environment. Crazy, right? Download for Windows. Docker Hub, a cloud-based app registry and development team of collaboration server. I need a Docker Hub. Me and my teams, we're going to collaborate. Need a Docker Hub. A play with Docker is a cloud-based Docker amount to try out Docker and learn the ropes. I like that. Could you create quizzes in there and put your content and courses and all that? It's coming in 2 days. Designed for developers by developers. This Docker coin, not Docker coin, Docker Con. I guess it's like Comic Con with a comic. You know, what's that show? The Superhero Con. Nice. Register. Millions of developers are designing on Docker, dude. Docker DApp, Docker Hub. Play with Docker. Nice. The doc. Me and the doc. Very interesting, right? Ooh, look at GameStop. 215. Mojo's got it at 199. Up 256 on that last 17 shares. How sweet is that, dude? Let me do a little trade right here. A little trade. Pink. Hold on, doing a little trade. A little SQQ at 18s. Gotta love the 18s. You gotta love that 18. Oh, that was off 18. Got that baby off 18. Yeah, I got a great question. I can explain the futures contracts to you on how you get short on on that. My friend asked me, "How do you see short?" I shorted at 57,000, dude. I'll show you two ways. On an exchange like KuCoin. Let me log in and I'll show you. I got the 2FA and the authenticator. Here we go. Okay. Okay. KuCoin has these three accounts: a main account, a trading account, and a margin account. And put your assets in here into your main account, and then you transfer them to your trading account or your margin account. You got to get approved. And what it has here, let me show you. Very secure. Here's KuCoin. It shows you the symbol at the top, and if you could trade 10 times margin. Okay, so let's say you want to go into Bitcoin. Right here, and you could trade this 10 times margin. So you come in here and you can sell Bitcoin, auto borrow, see? Right here. So here's a place where you can buy and sell Bitcoin on 10 times margin. The other account is the one I like, the Profi Forex account. Right here. Let me log in. So right here is the Profi Forex account. I like this one the best. So let's say you have Bitcoin right here. You see it's at 37.9. I set it for commission. It's at 0.007. That's a small trade. I'm going to put it like 10. That's a penny commission. Increase the lot size. I do it by commission. I don't do it according to how much commission I'm trading. It has 10 cents. So what I'm going to do is it's going to go through Heinz 38,000. I'm going to buy it. So what you want to do is you want to click this button here, buy. See it? The buy button. And you want to buy it. What you want to do is when this thing, since you want to buy it low and sell it high, as this thing is going 950, you don't want to buy it. You want to buy under 950. Click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. Over 950, don't click it, because now the clicks under 950 are profitable. It's 937. You're playing it through 38,000. You're cutting it at 36.5 because you want it to drop to 36.877, then bounce back up through 9 and then go through 38 like it's doing now. See, it's at 890. We want to wait for it to come down a little bit. 900, 897, 900, 900. You got to wait for it to come down to 877. Then it'll go bounce back up through this and through 38. And if you want to short it, same thing on this side. You see how it's 37,875? As that number gets higher, you want to press the button to short it. Okay, see this one's dropping right now. 880, you want to buy it right at the bottom of that thing right there at 877. It'll bounce right back up. You go through 38,000. Then you can short it through 38,000 by pressing this side. So once it's at 38,000 and the number's rising, you click it on the way up. So when it reverses, you have a better chance because you're always paying the spread between the bid and the ask. It's 76 by 8. You know, there's always a spread in there and stuff. So that was a great buy off stopping station. Now it's heading back through 38,000. There it is, 37,920, 940, 950. Let's see, 38. That would be beautiful. Mojo called it exactly the way Bitcoin trades. And I know because it trades according to price, not according to this VWAP, the top of that bar, the bottom. It means nothing. Trading according to the bars and the Bollinger Bands and is absolutely irrelevant. You want to know why? You see the top of that bar up there at 30, the top of the screen at 38,432? That's 38,500. See the bottom all the way down here at 37,121? That's 37,000. So it can go between 37,000 and 38,500, 1,500 points. And it'll move up and down, to and fro, according to those numbers. That's what it's doing. Because there's computers that are making it happen. Look at that NASDAQ be dropping. Let me see my NASI at. Got a couple of trades open. Don't want to be missing that, baby. On that SQQ be rising. I got some of that down on the cheap. Got some of that down on the cheap side on that last dip down there. Now she's back. So I like that Profi Forex a lot, dude. Nice job on GME, guys. Really sweet job. 210, went to 217 from 199. Touched 11, went right up. Isn't that amazing, Brad? Where'd you learn that? Right? Where did we learn that from? You see that, Brady? I hooked you up, right? Guy on YouTube turned 12,000 into 150 shorting Bitcoin on the dump with margin. Did the same thing with Profi Forex. You can go into Profi Forex and you can set it to 500 to 1 margin, dude. You can get outrageous freaking buying power, dude. You can get outrageous buying power. I'm doing that for you. I've taught so many traders how to trade. It's silly. They're moving into new houses. One of my traders has like 10 Bitcoin. It's crazy. You got it, Brady. Explaining you how to do. I like Profi Forex the best. Here's the link, the MOJO link for Profi Forex. You can open an account there. They have a demo account for $5,000 as soon as you open it, and you can start practicing on that. Where's my link? Here it is. There you go. You got that link right there. That's on the Profi Forex. You get out 500 to 1 leverage. That's the one I put in $200 the other day, and I turned it into 700 on one move trading that Bitcoin, dude. Those moves of 1,000 points, I had it set to 500 to 1. I threw in $200 like I was at the casino, tripled it, dude. It was so much fun, man. It was so much fun, dude. I was throwing out the rooms I was throwing out the picks in the MOJO room, dude. That was right here. Look. Right here. This is on Profi. Look. Trading Bitcoin right here. I started with 200. I was up to 539. I had my margin level was 188%. I'm up $100 on 500. Right there, I'm up 225% leverage. My equity's 644. I've got 285 on margin and 358 free. I'm up 37 there. And I turned it into $725, dude. This guy just saw me turn 200 into 725 right there. I was just screwing around, man. I was just screwing around, dude. So KuCoin, you can do that on. You can do that on the KuCoin. And that's it, man. MOXC, Moxie's going by up big, dude. $17 and spike in Moxian. See that? Moxian. Crazy. Yeah. Hey, if you want to, after you set up the Profi Forex, I'll look at that thing go through 18. I'll show you how to get set up with that margin. You got to fund it with Bitcoin. You can't fund it with your credit card. From Coinbase, you send it over to Profi and Bitcoin. I'll show you how to do it. Just contact me, man. I'll hook you up. All you guys are joining my Zoom meeting, but there is no Zoom meeting. I'm getting notices. Join my Zoom meeting. How to buy crypto. So when you buy crypto in Coinbase, it comes in the form of US dollar. Then you have to take the US dollar that you have in there and buy some coins. When you transfer the coin out of Coinbase to the other exchange, you must notice the fee. It's called a gas fee. Let's say I'm sending $100 from Coinbase over to one of the exchanges. And here's a good nice chart on that Coinbase. Let me see if I could actually go into Coinbase and show you. It's at 36.6. Oh, 50, yeah, the high was up there. Okay. So what you do is you go into Coinbase and you have your Bitcoin and your other things. So let's say you've got USDT. Okay, so you scroll down to USDT, Tether, and you put in the amount you want to send, and then you click continue. It'll show you the fee that's taken out. So $100, they may take out $20. $20. So you're only sending 80 to the other exchange. It's a freaking ripoff. So if you switch from Tether to another coin, like I like sending Cardano, ADA, $100, they take $1.25. If I didn't know that and I just kept on sending USDT, I'd be wasting so much money, because if I had $100 that I put in and I sent it over to the exchange to make money and it's at $80, I've got to make up $20 just for the Coinbase fee. And that stock has to go up from $80 of that coin. It's got to go up like 100% just for me to make back the fees. So you got to watch what coin that you're sending over. All these things I teach in the crypto course that I taught in Mojo University, one of my courses. So if you come on and join me in the Mojo team and the Mojo room and join my team, I'll give you that course for free and educate you. Normally you'd pay $1,000 plus for education like that. Instead, I'll give it to you for free. You could take the $1,000, put it into your crypto portfolio, and next year, let's see what that thing turns out to be. That would be a nice plan. So come on to the Mojo room and let's execute on that. What do we got here? Moxie halted over 18, dude. Dang. Oh, look at SQQ rocking, dude. Mojo's the best. Oh. $23, $24. Give me 24. Give me 25. You want to see some cool trading today after I turn these three into a profit right here? Goes 25. I'll show you some really cool trading I did today. Let just this one go up right here. This is my new Zulu account. Come on, give me 25. I'm right out. So I can turn these all green. They're like down $5, $2. As soon as it ticks up, I'm going to take them right off. Give it a second. So here's my new Zulu account that I just opened up. Look at my performance. I started this morning at 0. Started at 0 right here. My morning session ended right here. That was my morning session. Ended right there. And then I signed back on here and drove it up to here. And now I'm up to here. Here's my trades. Let's see how many I've gotten right in a row. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One wrong. 1. And each of them wins $1.40, $1.50, $30, $6, $3, $2, $1.65, $12, $1.20, $4, $3, $4, $10, $25, $10, $7.50, $2.78, $21, $30, $4.50, $10.75, $49, $17, $20, $22, $6, $7.04, $3.30, $28, $3, $4, $23, $1, $5. That's right there, 100 trades today. 1, 2 losses out of 100 trades. Who does that? How can you do that? That's MOJO Day Trading. That's what MOJO Day Trading can do. And I think I got a couple of positions right here. I'm going to close. Yeah, look, $10, close. $7, close. $23, close. Done. Boom. Now I'm up more. There you go. That's 20, 13, and 12 right there. That's how MOJO trades. Now, could it go higher and make more money? Yeah, but I was down a little bit. Then I made that back and plus some. So that's the name of the game, baby. You want to come learn how to trade like that? I've been doing it with my MOJO chat room guys in my room for 12 years, 10 years now, 10 years. Become a master pro. 5 years. See the masters right here? These traders are on subscription with me for 5 years. And I have a deal right now for $50 off. You're going to be able to get a subscription for $99 for Memorial Day. I got that special running on my website. So, going to be a good weekend coming up. Good trading today, guys. Nice. Learned about mining, learned about crypto, learned about making money with SQQ on that Rosie ride. Learned how to short Bitcoin. Learned how to go onto KuCoin and get 10 times leverage there. 500 to 1 leverage on the Profi Forex. Do I have that window open still? Nope. Yeah, come ask me, Mike, how do you get 500 to 1 leverage? I don't see that setting, dude. I'll show you. Yeah, Mr. Marr, best professional decision of his life. I love it. Sign up, dudes. The best professional decision of your life. All right, guys, great job on the Mojo. You want to know another good decision? You see these little vanilla wafers? See these little things? You get them in Publix. They're really good. I got a little like thin vanilla, like right in there, really tasty. Really tasty. That's what I do, dudes. Nice. What can we end with? How about the, oh, I did a good crypto outlook today. I did a good outlook on crypto. JFIN's moving 570. JFIN on the main screen. Let me cruise on over there after this little outlook. You got the same vanilla and the chocolate. Isn't it good, dude? Nice, right? They're really good, aren't they, Peppy? I know. So good. I'm going to have another one. Yeah, they're Italian. They're a little thin Italian, like with a B. I'm with a B. Oh, that was a great one. Yeah. How come my thing's not working? There it is. Gave you that outlook today. That's what I wanted to show you. Was that? Was my crypto outlook. Here we go. Let me replay that. Got computer fart freeze. So much data's coming in with that thing right now. That's beautiful. Good night, guys. Catch you on the next show and for my next review.